everyone, welcome to a new YouTube video. My name is Teresa and we're here to talk about the Kylie Cosmetics Birthday Collection. Hello everyone, I hope everyone's doing quite well today. It is Saturday night. Is it Saturday? Oh yeah, what's wrong with me today? I am like, my mind is like ahead of time or like behind time because I was supposed to be at work but I'm on my vacation, so I don't feel like I was supposed to be here. Like, whatever the case is, I'm here to talk about the Kylie Cosmetics Birthday Collection. I'm gonna talk about, because this is not part of the clip, I'm gonna now that I adjusted the lights, I'm gonna just insert the swatches that I did with the lights that I had at the moment. The lights is not giving the eyeshadows any justice, so but before that, that's the best clip I could get because right now the lights look good. But that was after having a struggle. But I'm gonna just talk about this before we jump into that other clip, and this is the Kylie Press Body Glow. I use this as a highlighter on my cheeks and it did a good job. When I was doing the makeup tutorial and I was doing the look, I felt like the light wasn't doing it justice, but now that we adjusted it, I'm gonna still you could definitely see it. I can't wait to use it on my body. So it is going on vacations. It's coming with me when I'm going on vacation, so I'm quite excited about it. I'm gonna insert the clip on the swatches on the eyeshadow and also the lipstick. First one, and this is the lightest color, and this one is Time is Money. And I will turn off the additional light so we could see the then the other one is Birthday Queen, and this is just pressing with my finger. Stacks, and I use these two greens on my eyes, and the next one is on a budget. The second row, I will show you the second row right now. And bands, $21. Goal setter. I'm gonna show you that row right now. This is the second row right here. I don't know if I showed you. So this is so far the first and second row. I'm gonna turn off the additional light. You're gonna have just the light of that I'm using, the smaller light. So if you could see it, now I'm gonna turn this back on, and then we're gonna go to the final row, these two rows, and we're gonna go down. I'm gonna do it on the other hand. So Long Money, I use Long Money on this look, and Work For It. No, it's not a video of Baby Sean's not in the background. Blue Face. This one is Bola. I'm trying to bring my bracelet down. Sorry. Bola. Just clean my hands. 22 candles. And these are your glitters. Build Your Empire. Time for the Cake. I gotta like Time for the Cake. Let me get it on my finger. It got mixed with the brown. Sorry about that. Let me get it. Time for the Cake. And Breaking Records. I'm gonna swatch that Time for the Cake again so you guys can see it. I'm gonna swatch it in the other hand. Right here. Next is the lipsticks, and it comes in a case like this, and we have the lip color that I'm wearing. I use the lip liner, but that's what we'll talk later. and this is Money Mindset. I'm trying to think where could I put it on my body since I'm already like eyeshadow up. Very creamy. I am impressed on her lipsticks. So that's a very pretty pink. It reminds me of a Wet n Wild one. Wet n Wild one does have one. Very creamy, so you got to be careful when it comes to creamy shadows. Let me see if I could get that back in there. They start bending, and I already got a crease here. So it reminds me of a Wet n Wild one. If I find it, I do think I have it in my stash. I don't know if Wet n Wild still does those lipsticks, and if they do, you could get a similar dupe to this color. So then the other one is Hustle Honey, and this is pink. So I don't want to press too hard because, like I said, they're very creamy and they will break. So there goes the other one. And the last one is Mommy Boss. I'll bring that down a little bit. And there goes the third color. All right. Then we have the Velvet Lipstick, which I am a huge fan of her when it comes to her lipstick. She does do good quality of liquid lipsticks. So I do like this. I definitely like the lipsticks. And here's the liner, lip liner. I use this for the outer line of my lips, just the outer line, and then I just use the lipstick. There's no name for this, so I'm gonna draw right here. It's a nude. And then as for lip color, this is what the tube looks like. It's another pink, like a nude pink, more on the darkest side. It's very pretty too. I love, like, I definitely like her lip stuff. I did order another thing. I totally forgot. And this is when I got it. I was trying to figure out why did I order it, because it was just like this little, it's like when you realize when you order something, you're like, well, why did I get that? Like, I only got one. Like, why one? So I picked up only one of this. This is Money Ain't Everything. This is the like a shimmer eye, and it has a little lid. It's really pressed down good on it. I'm gonna show you guys. And so where should I do this that I don't have any junk on me? Let's go to the arm again. So that's the right there. Okay, so after I inserted the clip, there goes the swatches for the eyeshadow and the lipstick. So I wanted to talk about Mommy, can I talk real quick? I gotta pause the video because my son said he has to talk. Alright, so after my son told me that I needed to stop recording because he wanted to talk, I'm back again, and I'm gonna give you my overall review of You're So Money, Baby. I'm quite impressed. This is actually my first time buying any Kylie Cosmetics eyeshadows. I really like how everything came out. I wish the lighting would show the way everything looks and how in sync, like the blend of the colors and how well you could see everything. Obviously right now I got a little glitter here because I got like a little happy and I started like messing with the glitter. So I'm gonna grab this brush right here and kind of blend that out. But overall, I'm quite impressed with the greens. And during the tutorial, it kind of like stopped halfway because I was getting quite mad. Because if you don't understand, I had something else helping with this light. Right now, the light is so much better. I wish it was like this when I was actually filming this look. You could actually see the colors. And I was just beyond getting freaking frustrated while doing it because I was just like beyond, like, didn't understand why everything was not looking well. I had to get up. I had to look in a different mirror. I was done. So I stopped the recording and I was like, you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and stop it. I'm not going to put mascara because I'm getting frustrated. And when I tell you, I got up, I looked in the mirror and I say, why is it that I don't see that on camera? So it was very frustrating because when lighting doesn't work, when the lighting is not working with you, it's not gonna show and project the colors that you want to show on the tutorial. So, but overall, I'm quite impressed with the eyeshadows. I really like it. It's like if I get close, I feel like you can even see it. Let me crack this light out. So this is without the additional lights, and I'm gonna raise this color, this light over here. If you see it, I really love it. I really love the green. It's a very phenomenal green, and I don't even use green for eyeshadows, but I was dying to use this green because I was like, I love it. And but overall, I'm quite impressed with the eyeshadow. Really am quite impressed with it. If it hasn't sold out, please pick it up. I think it's great. But is it a mandatory eyeshadow to pick up? Eyeshadow palette? No. If you don't want to get it, don't get it. But I do like the greens in this shadow. But overall, I'm quite impressed with the Kylie Cosmetics. The colors I did, I even asked my husband because that's how messed up the light was driving me. It was like driving me crazy. And I said, what do you think about my eyeshadow look like? And I even like made him look towards this light and over here. And I said, what do you thought about it? And he said it looked great. And so and you know, and he was like in it. He was like, it looks good. You did everything nice. It looked. So overall, I'm not gonna let these lights mess with my work because that's what it was making me feel like. I didn't know how to like apply no makeup, and I was like beefing, like I was mad, and I was like, I'm done, I'm not recording no more because I was getting upset. But overall, I love it. I love the lipsticks. I definitely like the lipstick trio. But overall, there's nothing else to say, but I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I will connect everything because I think you should guys just see how frustrated I was getting with the lights, because I'm gonna start getting ready for vacation, so I kind of don't want re-record the whole look because I do accomplish the look and you could see it and you could go ahead and follow it. And but overall, yeah. All right, so I am back to the regular routine, no wigs. I am with my hair. And so anyways, yeah, overall, thank you guys for watching. This is the second video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you want. I want to say thank you to the new subscriber that is following us. That means a lot. And overall, thank you, and see you in the next video. I will the next video I'm not gonna be doing any reviews. I kind of like to like stick away from avoiding any of your reviews. I kind of want to do just looks. So the next one I will be doing just a regular makeup tutorial, and we're gonna mix palettes with that one because I think palettes are pretty cool to mix. Or I probably use the NYX Modern Dreamer palette, which is, I actually like it. I want to use it again, so we'll probably do some makeup looks with that palette. We'll see what we'll do. But the next look makeup tutorial will be on a, you know, just regular thing. And say hi, show. Say hi. You're not gonna say hi? And this is my dog, sir. Say hi. He's a mixed terrier. And yeah, so anyways, I want to say thank you so much for watching, and I will link I will go ahead and show everything, even when I was getting frustrated while doing this tutorial, because I think it's the right thing to do, show you guys when I was getting frustrated, because the thing is, this lighting was not working with me, and I'm frustrated now that it's actually doing so much better, because that's what I was having an issue with the Barbie tutorial. It was just not working, and as you see, I had a lot of shadows back there, so it sucks, because especially you don't want to give that quality of work so you know, to you guys. I don't like doing that. But if anything, go ahead and subscribe and comment and like, and I'll speak to you guys soon. Right, sir? You see, he be acting like I'd be bothering him. Bye, guys.